What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today is Holy Thursday, the Thursday before Easter Sunday, and we're out with the Cybertruck Studios. Just wanted to share with you a little tradition that we do as Roman Catholics. We call it Visita Iglesia, and so what that is we on Holy Thursday or Good Friday go visit 7 churches in the surrounding areas to go pray. This year we are bringing the Cybertruck. Last year we actually brought the Rivian. Our Rivian was newly purchased last year, and that's what we ended up using. But this year we're going to be using the Cybertruck. I recently did a video on the tonneau cover and how it's still leaking after they repaired it. And so what I want to show you is a little setup that we have because it continues to leak, and we've been having rain lately. And so even though the vault is large, what we needed to do is bring this container. And someone had commented like it is not watertight or waterproof. So just go ahead and bring a storage bin. While I agreed that I could use a storage bin, I don't really think it should be leaking like that, but well, we got to do what we got to do. So I'm not gonna buy the Tesla storage bin because they're expensive. I have this Home Depot bin, the black and yellow ones. You can go get them for like 10-11 bucks. Even Costco got them. But yeah, so this is where we keep our electronic stuff. So we have a water kettle, an electric kettle, and other things, because we're gonna be cooking some soup and making some coffee and hot cocoa. It is a little cold this evening. We are in the low 50s. It's not too bad, but I think it would be great to have some hot cocoa and some cup of noodles. It is just past 7 p.m. and we are at our first location, our first church. This usually takes about 5 hours or so, something like that. Each church we gather and pray, and then we move to the next one, and midway have a little bit of like snacks and food and just fellowship and hanging out with friends. All right, we are here, church number 2. We had to park on the street as there are no parking inside the church property. All right, we are on our 3rd church, Our Lady of Guadalupe. No parking around. We had to park like 2 blocks away. But we are making our way, church number 3. All right, we are on our 4th church. This is St. Joseph, and I park the Cybertruck backwards in because I think this is where we're gonna have some food. We're gonna tailgate here. All right, so we got our barista, Bro Chichai. You've seen him in the Vegas video. He's gonna be heating up some water, our waterologist. So all right, so this evening we will be having egg sandwich on Hawaiian king bread. That's how we do. Got some oranges. We got different kinds of
Okay.
beverages. Cup of noodle,
Yes.
Swiss Miss, and Vietnamese coffee, decaf, and we have some tea. All right, we are here at St. Anthony's. This is our 5th church. We had a little bit of dinner. Not really a dinner, but just more of a snack, I guess. Man, I had like 5 of those egg salad sandwiches on the Hawaiian bread. Oh my goodness. Might be a little gassy later on. Excuse me.
1, 2, 3.
All right, this is our 6th church. This is St. Paul, St. Peter. We are almost done, and it is almost 10:30. Should be done in about another hour. We got one more church after this. All right, we are on our last church, Sacred Heart. This is number 7. This is our last one, and it's almost 11. Home, and trip data is 47.5 miles. 18.5 kilowatt hours and 389.4 watt hour per mile. But that's it for this video. I am tired. It's like midnight pretty much. But yeah, just want to wish you all a happy Easter. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.